Hey, what's up, guys? Bagsy here. Firstly, I want to thank you all for helping me put proof of listing on the map alongside proof of week. This project has been on the in the background for a long time, and we're really happy to release this for you guys. And the community support has been great, and we've also had a lot of questions. So I figured we owe you guys at least an explanation, a small one, as to how it works, and this is it. So, what is proof of listing? Proof of listing is a piece of software that routinely checks an exchange API to look for information that may help confirm an exchange listing. Emphasis on may. It's not a sure thing. The idea came about in 2018 when people started speculating on the next asset that Coinbase would add. At that time, it only had a couple, and mostly were large caps. After Coinbase acquired Paradex in May of 18, there were various rumors that 0x would be listed, which did happen later in October of that year. During that time, we looked to automate some of the simple checks to see if assets appeared in the Coinbase API. It eventually detected Zcash in late 2018 and continued to give heads up in a private Discord group. And in 2020, we recently decided to open it up to Twitter, and potentially in the near future, we'll open source everything. So TBD on that. And how does it work? So for Coinbase, in the past, they've stated on multiple times that they consider assets, and they create long lists and 50 plus assets. So what we do is we simply search for signs that these particular cryptocurrencies are being tested on the API on the back end, and if it is, it gives us a hint that they're doing some engineering work on it and to pay attention. So during the initial Twitter launch, we came out with 5 coins. We decided to hold on to these to at least market them properly to you guys, so you guys could know what proof of listing is about. But moving on forward from this point, everything will be automated. So as soon as we receive a signal, it's sent straight through Twitter, so you don't need to join any other thing. You just have to follow the Twitter bot, turn your notifications on, and that's that. And you'll notice earlier today we actually had a ping for, I think it was MTA on FTX exchange. We also recently added FTX to our platform, so we're routinely checking for new projects that may be listed there. So all that to say, guys, obviously there are no guarantees. First things first, but I guess the value in this thing is to help you narrow your focus on the projects that may be worth investigating. So what I mean by that, if Coinbase is looking at a project that generally means that it isn't a scam, and they have to do their due diligence and they have to test things. So if anything, I'd like for you guys to use it like this, not as a pump and dump tool or whatnot. It may help you facilitate getting an entry, and it depends how you trade it. None of my business, but this is purely for your guys' fun and viewing pleasure. So firstly, I really want to thank Proof of Week for bringing me on board. He's the real mastermind behind this entire thing. So yeah, we're running on 4 minutes. I think this is a good time to wrap up. So again, thank you guys so much for being there. Love you very much, and look forward in the near future, because we're going to be dropping a lot of cool stuff for you guys. So take care, peace, and have a good weekend.